Hello and welcome to Craft Drawer. I'm going to share with you today some free crochet patterns that you can find in the links below. Take a look at some of these and start your Christmas projects today. Here is the free Rudolph pattern. You can download the pattern in the link below. And now we have a free snowman pattern. He stands 7.5 inches tall sitting. There's a free Happy Basket snowman. He's fun and festive looking basket that you can make with a versatile yarn. And then you can discover all these free patterns below. Next, we have the free Christmas Star Throw crochet pattern. And then we have a poinsettia ornaments that you can crochet for your tree. A reindeer basket made with super bulky weight yarn. A holiday stocking that is made with super bulky weight yarn also. Then there's some snowflakes to crochet. They make great decorations. A Santa hat pattern that you can wear for festive holiday celebrations. Balsam flower decoration for a Christmas tree. And then there's a holiday throw that is made with a bulky weight yarn and is easy to make. Here's some gingerbread reindeer and penguin ornaments to crochet. Some gift bags to add to your gifts. Then we have a crochet wand bottle hats and scarves pattern. There's a lot of free patterns available through the links below. You can check them out, from snowmen to reindeer to snowflakes to ornaments, Christmas stockings, hats, and more. They're all fun for the holiday season. Get all of these links for the free patterns and start your projects today. Let me know if you have any questions, and thanks for watching Craft Drawer.